Boo! Harriet, you are Fruit Loop. Are you ready to come out? Come on, let's. Oh, that's your elephant. Right, come on. Come on, ready? We're going to show Auntie Emma that you can walk. Take your elephant. Here's your elephant. Ready? Take it to Keely. Take your elephant to Keely. Where's she gone? Where's Keely? Where's Keely? Can you get her? Oh. Where? Where's she gone? Is she in there? Go find her. Ready? Go. Yeah. What are you doing?